Hello everyone, the project which we are going to make today is LED switching using IR remote. Components required for this project are few jumper wires, 9V battery, TSOP sensor, 10 kilo ohm resistor, 220 ohm resistor, 10 microfarad capacitor, 2 LEDs, BC558 transistor, IC4017 and breadboard. First of all, place IC4017 on breadboard. Start counting the pin from notch. Connect pin number 15 with pin number 4 of the IC. Connect pin number 6 with pin number 13 of the IC. Now place BC558 transistor on the breadboard. Connect the positive terminal of 10 microfarad capacitor to the base of the transistor. Place TSOP sensor on the breadboard. Connect the VCC pin of TSOP sensor to the emitter of the transistor. Connect ground pin of TSOP sensor to the negative terminal of capacitor. Take another 10 microfarad capacitor. Connect its positive terminal to the collector and negative terminal to the negative pin of previous capacitor. Connect the 10 kilo ohm resistor between the collector terminal of transistor and the negative terminal of capacitor. Connect the negative terminal of capacitor to the pin number 4 of the IC. Connect negative terminal of capacitor to the pin number 6 of the IC. Connect collector terminal of BC558 transistor to the pin number 14 of the IC. Connect a 220 ohm resistor to the pin number 3 of the IC. Connect the anode of the LED to the another end of 220 ohm resistor. Connect one more 220 ohm resistor to the pin number 2 of the IC. Connect anode of the second LED to the second end of 220 ohm resistor. Connect the cathode terminal of both the LEDs to pin number 13 of the IC. Connect negative terminal of battery to the pin number 13 of the IC. Connect the positive terminal of battery to the pin number 16 of the IC. After pressing the buttons from the remote, the LEDs are going to blink alternately. You can switch between the LEDs by pressing the buttons from the remote. This is how LED switching using IR remote project works. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.